Dental implants are awesome. What? You didn't think so? Stick around and I'm going to tell you why. We've come a long way since the days of Grandma and Grandpa, where they used implants for dentures. Now, we can replace every individual tooth with a dental implant. And yes, implants are special because they're coated with a special surface that allows the bone to fuse to the surface of the implant, making that implant a part of your bone and a part of your body. They also maintain the bone at the level that it's supposed to be in relation to the adjacent teeth. So if you're looking to replace one or more of your missing teeth, don't be embarrassed about it. Just come in, we're happy to take care of you and get you started on the road to better smile. Come on, I know you like this video, hit like. From dental to facial aesthetics, we have it all. Check out our services online. Remember, it's not just beauty, it's beyond beauty.